Hi.
Do the old switcheroony, dude. Hola, amigos. I finally got a car. It's pretty cool, but it's not. It's a 05 CTS V. I did pay straight Bitcoin for it, believe it or not. I'll even put a screenshot in. He literally said, yeah, he'll take Bitcoin for it. So I was looking for a 240, and then nothing really good came up that I was like super interested in because let's just be honest, most 240s are kind of piles. Yeah, they're pieces of shit.
Yeah.
So
Unless you're looking to pay $50K for
exactly.
a 240.
No, you could get a nice one for like 20.
Yeah, but it feels like 50 when you're giving them the 20
yeah,
for
you're
that
giving
old
them
box.
$22,000 for some 1J1, whatever. I went out of my way to look for one of these. Like instead of like letting people DM me like, oh, I got a 240, like I went and looked for CTSV. So I bought this for $9, which might be one of the cheapest ones, but it's got some stuff wrong with it. Not really wrong with it, but like, for example, this is like busted, whatever. Headlights are like all yellowed out. It's like kind of a pile, but it's not. Like the thing rips, you know, dude.
Oh yeah, she rips.
She scoots, dude.
Do all CTSVs come 6-speed?
I think only the first gens, and then the second gen is
It's like
the
either
one
or?
where they made it auto and manual. I could be completely wrong. I don't know much about these cars except this has the LS6 T56, literally bulletproof engine setup for dailying, drifting, like ultimate reliability out of this thing. So
This is like the old Chevy SS. Like, you know the brand new Chevy SS is a
Yes.
4-door?
Yeah,
That were
this is
6-speed, like they were
Grandpa,
sick.
yeah.
Yeah, this is like
the
it's
dad of that, yeah. A little bit of backstory. The super OG subscribers will know that the CTSV is my dream car. Not the first gen, the second gen is, but for what I want to do with this, I really didn't want to have the supercharger and the extra pieces to brake because this, I'm basically going to destroy it.
You
Like,
just want
let's
that NAV8 raw power.
Yup, NAV8 T56 manual. Thing is going to be the ultimate drift taxi. I'm bringing it back. I know that I kind of am I'm not even kind of the guy. I am the guy that never finishes a build. You guys all know the GS300. It was cool for a little bit and then it broke and then I just like forgot about it. So this is gonna be the ultimate drift taxi. I'm building it for Lock City Drift out here in Connecticut. I already called them. I got permission to run 4 people in the car as is. I'm not gonna leave it as is, obviously. We gotta do some like drifty kind of mods to it. You'll see some of those. I got some parts coming in the mail. I guess we'll do a walk around. A couple more things that's wrong with it. The radio is shot, like the reception is shot, it works. The reception is really fuzzy and all the door speakers are blown out. Every speaker in the car is blown out. Sounds like, you know, it was cheap. It was very affordable for the car that I got here.
For a 6-speed LS?
Yes, it was very affordable. I'm very happy that I found this one and that he took Bitcoin for it.
Like a stock 6-speed LS is a lot of, like, what does that come in? Fucking Corvettes? Like,
Yeah.
like this is the cheap stock T56
Yeah,
LS.
and it really is. The thing is, I was looking on like car gurus and stuff, and these are going for $15K
Yeah,
all day.
I don't doubt it.
So, I'm trying to think of what else.
And he got it with the fucking BTC.
Yeah, that's my
Bitcoin,
that's my
baby.
keychain, dude. What else? There's like some weird. Maybe it's the blinker stock itself, but when at night, if I have the headlights on and then I click the blinker to the left, the high beams come on. And then when I turn the wheel and then let it go and it's like clicks off, they shut off again. I don't know if that's like
just the GM electrical.
yeah, the
dude.
stick,
That's
or
just how
is it
works, dude.
GM? Yeah, I don't know. Also, only 2 TPMS sensors work. So I was on some forum. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. If I take the TPMS sensors out of the tire or out of the wheels, all 4 of them, it will automatically shut off traction control and stability and all that. I can't turn it off right now because there's only 2 TPMS sensors. So if you know what's up with that, comment below, please, because like I said, I was on a forum and they said just take all the TPMS sensors out and just put normal valve stems into the rims, and it's drift car already.
And like, what does this mean? Where there's 2 doors on each side? What does that mean?
4 doors more, baby. So yeah, this is the ultimate drift taxi build. We'll come around to the back. We'll show it off. It's not like super clean. Actually, good. You're on this side. there's an acorn dent
Oh, yeah,
right
right
here. Got a little bit of dings.
Yeah, you're gonna be pissed when a car fucking hits you.
No, I'm not. This thing is literally.
We're gonna do this in like, we're gonna have this same video in 3 months where we're doing a walk around.
And the doors are all
the doors are all
smashed in.
collapsed in, and you're like, yeah, there's like an acorn dent,
Yeah.
like, and like the doors are just demolished.
So it has a cat back on it, a cat back. It's not like a straight pipe. There's like resonators in the center, but it sounds pretty good. It's kind of loud. Not really, but it is. It sounds good to me personally. What
You wanna start it for a second?
No, not inside. They'll hear it. They'll hear it in another video. This is just the walk around. I bought a car finally. Ooh, like
The drift taxi.
the drift
build,
taxi.
dude.
So this specifically I wanted because I want to daily it too. Because I don't want to have a bunch of cars again. Like that annoyed me, having like 9 cars, 7 trucks, like all this other. I just want one car for now. So obviously it's gonna get ruined. I'm literally taking it to the track to stuff 4 people in it and clack doors with everybody. So it's the doors are gonna be bacon, the quarters are gonna be bacon, the fenders are gonna be bacon, but the motor and trans should be mint, right? Technically, they're very healthy at this moment. So we'll see if drifting is gonna destroy it. I don't know, my S14 was LS and thing f***ing ripped. I never had any problems with the motor. I guess we'll pop the hood. Oh, that's the other thing that's wrong. They're in the car on the floorboard. The hood release, I'll show you how I gotta do it. The hood release mechanism, you just gotta grab the wire with these and pull it.
Oh, like in there. Oh, like
Yeah,
the,
like the
plastic finger
broke.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah. So pretty standard. It's from New England, so you can see it's a little crusty here and there, but yeah, LS6
There's
256.
a lot of room. I haven't seen this hood open yet. There's a lot of room in there.
Yeah, it's
Like
not
you
bad.
can work on the back of the motor. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like most V8s, like the
They're
cowl.
tucked
Yeah, the
back.
cowl is like it
Yeah.
stops like right there. Like you could change plug. You could do anything on this.
Yeah. She's a ripper, dude. We already took her out. I will disclose. We went to test the car with 4 people in it, and we did. I'm not gonna show it. I have it on video, but I'm not gonna show it. But we put 4 people in it, and we went Scrifton, and it rips. Yeah, plans for the car. Like I said, I want it to be just turnkey. The beauty of this car is that it needs no engine swap or nothing to be like a solid drift car. And also the reliability of the LS for dailying.
Yeah, the V8 is indestructible.
Apparently. We'll see though. Knowing my luck,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the one that grenades it.
Three drift events in, we're reusing this clip for saying that.
It's like in slow-mo and
Yeah.
black and white with that sad music in the back. The V8 is indestructible. Rods all over the ground.
Yeah,
at
oil
Lock City.
everywhere.
Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I'm trying to be like super transparent about it. I'm literally admitting that I'm the guy that never finishes a build. So I wanted a car that low-key doesn't need to be built.
like just needs minor and she's
A little bit of drifty stuff.
skirting.
Skirting, dude. Thing's gonna cloud the track out.
It's just it's literally a stock, like GM made this
yeah.
for you to drift.
They made a stock 4-door drift car
Yeah.
from the factory, and this is the one. Yeah, so once again, the OGs will know that my actual dream car is a 2nd gen. Maybe I'll grab one of those as like a collector car that I shove in a garage and never drive, because for drift purposes and for dailying, I didn't want the supercharged one that just sounds like a headache. Probably rips though.
Yeah, definitely rips.
We'll shut this ugliness. Nobody wants to see it. Everyone hates on V8s in the drift community. Got one right here. The ultimate drift taxi build, and I'm gonna say it like this. Yes, this is corny to do it. Build, because it's not really gonna be a build, but it is. Like, where is this thing gonna be in 6 months? I have no clue. It could be a tin can, or it could
It's
look
gonna be a
exactly
Rick
the same.
Ross.
Yeah, thing's gonna be scrapped, and we're yanking the motor out and throwing it in the dirty 30, dude.
No, dude.
He's like, no, I hate V8s.
I don't want a V8, dude.
I
Until
will-
it's ruined.
I will daily it with crunched in doors.
Yeah, no, until it's ruined. Until it's immobile.
Undrivable.
Yes.
Yes. I'm just gonna apologize right now to the CTSV market and all the people that like these, because this video is, we're gonna Miata this thing. Like, people are gonna be buying these to script them now. Yeah, I'm excited. You guys are gonna come along for the journey. The channel is still in AJ's hands. He's still the like head honcho of the operation, and this is just kind of like a little side thing that we'll do. Like, you know, here and there when I get like suspension or whatever, we'll do a video on that. Once again, I'm the guy that never finishes a build. The GS300 was supposed to be the drift taxi, and then it blew up, and then I didn't finish it because I didn't care.
But we all know that Lexus
No, dude, it had a 2J, but I
junk, dude.
ran it untuned and it exploded.
Yeah, how many 2Js and 1Js blow up per LS?
Honestly, that ratio is terrible.
Yeah, so Lexus.
Every one LS that blows, 15 JZs.
They sound great.
They sound best sounding motor on the
But
planet.
if you're
1J.
looking to rip it, I can't even say it. If you're looking to like torture the thing, LS, dude.
LS all day, dude.
That's it, dude.
Carlos, come make a guest appearance. Come here.
Carlos.
Yes. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Yes. This is Carlos. He loves the CTSV. He loves going for rides. Yeah. I roll the back window down for him, and he's just head out the window.
Carlos, you wanna go in the rig? You wanna go in the rig?
I think he does.
Look at dude. You wanna go in the rig?
Carlos is a very happy boy. We're happy to have him around. We all love him. He loves us. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing my new pile of junk. And I hope you guys are looking forward to watching it in action. We will show the wrench turning and all that good stuff that you guys have been commenting that you want to see. Oh, AJ is going to be my eBay Alberto Big Boost.
What's that?
It's like LZ's. I don't know if he's still doing it for him, but he was like LZ's mechanic kind of deal. Yeah, AJ, he's gonna be doing a good majority of the wrench turning. And
Oh yeah, I could do that.
I'll be under there with you, filming you taking the diff out.
Yep.
We'll both be under the car, but you're the one like. That sounds about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Kyle owns the Facebook. Help a brother out, Punk Racer. Yeah, link in the description.
Is this thing on, dude? This thing's pumping.
Yeah, it was 41 degrees out.
Carlos, you nice and warm, buddy?
He's gotta be.
Yeah.
Sometimes he literally will push the chair.
Wanna go in the rig?
He will push the chair up to the fireplace by himself and then sit in it.
No!
Yes. Watch, Carlos, come here. He will literally sit in it. Like, he will nose the chair over to the fire and then sit in it. You've never seen him like laying down.
I've seen him laying
He rests
on it,
his
yeah.
head on the side right
Yeah.
here.
He like puts his like paws and then like
Yeah,
puts
he's
his head
sitting
in
like
between
this.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Good
People
boy.
amazing.
Yes. Oh yeah. Update on Carlos. His surgery is 100% good, done. The stitches are out. The scar is healed. He's good to go, dude.